Okay, Maya. I'm going to take a picture. 1, 2, cheese. Alright, got it. So what do we have here? The real cotton candy maker. Nice. It glows like magic. Includes light up cotton candy wand. Nice. Real machine. It's really easy. Oh yeah. Easy to make. It works like magic. Nice. Just use common household sugar or colored sugar. Okay. The back of the box, Mommy Rhea? Okay. Nice. Alright. The side, Rhea, of the box? The other side? Oh yeah. The front again? That's the back, but it doesn't matter because it's unboxing time! Are you excited, Maya? To eat cotton candy? Alright.
You like cotton candy?
Yeah? Me too. I like cotton candies. How about you, Mommy? Yeah? Alright.
I like it.
How about Markslin?
I also like too.
Okay. But he's still a baby.
But you should be eating cotton candy.
He just drink milk. That's all. Because he's still a baby.
And then must be later.
Yeah. When he's a kid, then he will eat cotton candy.
What's this?
What's that, Maya? Advertisement?
No. This is Barbie and what's this? And
Instruction paper. What's that? Oh, the cord. The electrical cord. The wand.
what's on this?
Oh no, those are the cones. Paper cones. Where's the magic wand? There you go. The magic wand. Well, actually, not magic wand, but light up wand.
What's on sugar?
The light up wand.
You have to find it first.
Read the instructions first,
Where's
Mommy.
the cotton candy? Where's the cotton candy?
We have to make it, Maya. Okay. Nice. Nice.
So sticky.
Cotton candy machine.
What is this? Magic wand?
That's the light up wand.
And this, the sticks. And the sticks. I'm gonna stick that.
Okay.
And then
The light up wand.
don't take this.
Turn it on, Mommy. There you go. It lights up.
Put it like this.
Yeah. Cool. The light up wand.
Wow.
Light it up, Maya. There you go. Nice. Nice rainbow colors.
What's this? A red stick.
Yeah, it's a stick. A white stick. That's all. Nothing special.
Cause the cotton candy light up.
No, that's the one that lights up.
But the cotton candy.
The cotton candy doesn't light up, Maya.
I want this.
Mommy, can I see the bottom part?
Oh no, get that. Get it.
Oh, there are 3 suctions.
Yeah.
Suction cups. Ready? Are you going to plug it now, Mommy? Okay. Alright. The power adapter is plugged.
Put the sugar.
Okay. Sugar time! Sugar time! Yay, 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 yay! Yay, 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 yay! What are you doing, Mommy? Checking what? Hey, Julian boy! What's up? What are you doing? The engine?
Yeah. And I'm worried you might eat the cotton candy. I don't want you to eat. That's why my tear.
Are you waiting for the cotton candy?
No, I'm riding my eating, so I'm watching from here.
Okay. Show your face, Julian.
Okay.
There you are. Now I see your face. Hey, nice rainbow colors or rainbow lights. All right, Mommy, turn it on.
Okay.
Red.
Okay, it's warming up. It's warming up.
Don't get too much, Mommy.
Just 1 teaspoon, Mommy Rhea. When the lights are green, then Mommy Rhea,
Yes.
when the lights are green, then that's the time that you are going to pour a 1 teaspoon of sugar.
What's teaspoon? What's teaspoon?
Okay, green light,
So,
green
you
light,
put it here?
or green
You
light.
put it down here?
Wait, wait, Julian, you need to wait. Go,
Okay.
Mommy. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Oh, you need to wait, guys. Julian, wait.
Oh! That's a good. You should do it.
Wow, look, wait, guys. Wow, like magic.
Now what?
Okay, go on, Julian. Wow! Wow! Magic, Maya. Wow, it's like magic. It's so amazing. So amazing. Cotton candy for kids.
Can I eat it now?
Yeah.
Oh, there's
Okay, now it's Maya's turn. Okay, go on, Mommy.
some.
1 teaspoon of sugar.
Oh. Wow. Like Spider-Man.
Okay, Maya, go on. There you go. Slowly, Maya, slowly.
This?
Yeah, slowly and gently.
Just like this?
Yeah, not too fast. Just slowly.
The guy did. I'll eat that.
Okay, go on.
How about Mommy?
How is it? Taste good? You like it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it sweet?
Yes.
Nice.
more. Yeah, more.
Wait for your turn, Julian.
After my overstand,
Yeah.
I have already enough sugar. I want
Okay, ready? Whoa. Like magic. Slowly and gently.
Mommy.
Tastes good, Maya.
How about Mommy?
There you go. In circular motion. Smells good. I can smell it.
Okay,
cotton candy maker. Okay, Maya, it's your turn. Wait.
You just have to do it gently.
Yes.
It looks like a spider web, right? Or maybe a cloud, like Maya said. What do you think, Julian?
Spider-Man.
Spider web, huh?
Spider-Man. I said that. It's like Spider-Man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, give it to Maya. Yay! Yummy!
Here's my line.
Julian's turn.
No line.
Mommy's turn. Okay.
I think I got lots of sugar in it.
Okay, Julian. Yeah, don't eat too much, guys. Too much sugar is bad for the body. Bad for our health.
Yeah, because sugar is sweet.
Yes.
And it's not good. And yeah,
So what do you say, Mami Rhea? It's a nice machine, huh?
big cow again. I want more. It's
Oh, last one, Maya, okay? Last one for Maya.
big. Yeah. But we're still going. I want more.
How was it, Mami?
Tastes good.
Taste good? Alright.
Whoa. Looks like popcorn. Spider-Man again.
Spider web. Oh yeah.
Let's try
There you go, Maya. Cotton candy for Maya girl. Oh yeah. Yummy, 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 yummy. That's enough, Rhea. Too much. That's enough. Well, alright kids, I'm going to sign off now. We are going to see you on the next video. Alright, bye kids. The real cotton candy maker machine. Oh yeah. Bye Maya. Bye.